Our pancake today is going to be made from our dry pap powder, as you can see, and it's suitable for babies, toddlers, kids, and the whole family. Yeah, dry pap powder is a good alternative to wheat flour. It's more nutritious than regular flour. It's also gluten-free. For those that don't eat wheat flour, this gluten-free alternative, so your children can enjoy pancake, or you can enjoy pancake if you have been running away from it because of gluten. Pap powder is made from corn, and as you can see, this is my pap powder which I made myself. There's a recipe or a video on how I made it in the description box below, so if you want to make it yourself, you can just check it in the description box below. You can also buy a ready-made one and then dry it yourself if it's quite difficult for you to start the process. Now, before we begin, I will appreciate if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Also click the like button, it's there below. That will help to get YouTube prescribing our videos or recommending our videos to other viewers. I will really appreciate if you do that now before we start. Thank you. I'm going to be mixing the dry ingredients together first, and I'm starting with my pap powder, which I'm putting into a bowl, and then I'm going to add my date sugar. Date sugar is homemade and I have a video of how I made it. You can check that below. And also I'm going to be adding my spice. You can use cinnamon, you can use nutmeg, any spice you feel better with. You can actually use, some people use cloves too. And then next thing I'm going to do is to mix my wet ingredients. I've got my egg and my milk. I'm also going to use oil. You can use butter if you don't want to use oil, just melted butter is okay. And then I'm going to add my vanilla flavor. Remember, the oil makes the pancake to be moist and not dry, so that's why I added about 3 tablespoons of oil in this. And then finally I'm going to mix the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients together. Just sieve it so that you can aerate it too. It's always good to sieve. And mix everything together. Yeah. So you can see everything is mixed together, and I have a pouring consistency batter because I'm going to make crepes. So I'm going to pour my batter into my pan, which is already oiled. As you can see, I'm making a very flat one. Allow it to cook and then turn it over to cook on the other side. It's really quite quick to do, and it's something that you can make up for the kids for breakfast, or also you can make it as a snack, or make it and put in their lunch box, any way you like it. And that's our crepes here. If you want to make a thicker version, all you need to do is to add some little bit or a bit more of the pap powder and mix it together just to get the pancake batter thick. Add a little bit of baking powder. And once everything is all mixed together, just cook your pancake as usual. And there you have it. This can serve as a finger food for your baby. If you have a baby that you are weaning from 7 to 8 months old, you can give them this pancake. If you are doing baby-led weaning, we are going to talk about it later, so stay glued and don't forget to like this video. Here I have my date syrup, homemade date syrup, which you can also use for babies from 6 months and above. So it's suitable for babies once they start eating solids. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe again, also like my videos, and as always, share with your friends. Check out other recipes on mommysium.com, and if you want a breakfast and lunchbox meal plan for your children, I have one, and I have a link in the description box for you to get it too. You can use it to support Mommy's Yum. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.